On our continued engagement with investors from China, we stop at the Multi-Facility Economic Zone right here in Chibombo, a place that has moved fast from bush lines and survey pegs into a working industrial yard. Steel frames sit where land was once empty. Forklifts move between sheds. Power cables run into factories that did not exist a few years ago. Inside those walls you are seeing right behind me there, transformers, plants, copper cables, lines and battery workshops building storage units for solar systems and electric vehicles. And so far the zone has drawn into more than 70 million United States dollars across 11 active projects. Government figures show commitments running closer to 128 million United States dollars as battery recycling, cable manufacturing and energy equipment lines expand. A few years ago, this particular land was quiet. Today it carries payrolls, machineries and export orders. The first wave of factories is already employing hundreds of local workers with projections of up to 6,000 jobs once the zone is fully built out. This is the model President Hakainde Hichilema has been pushing since he took office. Foreign capital paired with Zambian ownership and labor. Joint ventures that leave skills, tax revenue and long-term business behind rather than quick extraction. These are not trading stores, not at all. They are skilled jobs on factory floors, in workshops and in logistics yards. The work here cuts straight into Zambia's import bill. Transformers made in Chibombo now go into the national grid. That means fewer units shipped in from abroad. When a line fails, replacements do not have a wait for a port and a border. They will roll down the Great North Road. Copper cables made here do the same. They come from Zambian mines, get processed in Zambian factories, then go back into Zambian power projects. The battery plants tie into the same chain. Copper, cobalt and other inputs come from the ground. They leave Chibombo as a storage of batteries for solar systems and electric vehicles. Each step keeps value inside the country and gives Zambia a place in the clean energy supply chain that now drives global industry. Power feeds this growth. Just down the road, the 100 megawatts Chisamba solar plant pushes renewable electricity into the grid with second phase underway. And so that steadier supply keeps machines running and the lights on in the factories. Energy and industry move together, which means transport does the rest. TAZARA runs nearby, now under the 1.4 billion United States dollars modernization program to lift freight volumes and cut delays on the route to Dar es Salaam. The Lusaka-Ndora dual carriageway, this one here, is taking shape along the same corridor. Okay, trucks can load in Chibombo right here, move to the Copper Belt or head east to the coast without losing days in traffic. This is why Chinese investors are here. They are here in Zambia. They are not walking through empty plots. They are standing in the middle of a zone that already carries tens of millions of dollars in equipment and contracts linked to mines, to power plants, and to export routes. Chibombo shows how the pieces fit. Land turns into factories, factories turn into minerals, into finished goods. Railway and road take them to market. That chain is what turns investment into steady growth.